In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a llama out of clay. Here I'm starting by making a cylinder for the body. Using some water to smooth out the clay. Then I move on to the face. And now we're forming the neck. To join the head and the neck, I'm going to use a sharp tool and create these strokes on each side to join them. Then I'm going to form a thin coil and place it where the head meets the neck. Now I need to blend these together. Using the same technique as before, I'm going to now join the body and the neck. Here I felt that the proportions were not right, so I'm going to add a little piece of clay to fix it. Now moving on to the legs. I'm going to shape them and join them. Finally, for the ears. And then use a small ball tool to give them that shape. Now that the sculpting part is done, I'm going to leave it to dry for 48 hours. Now it's time to paint. I begin by painting the features first. Now that I'm happy with my painting, I'm going to apply some glossy varnish on it. This is going to make our creation waterproof and give it a good finish. Finally, I decided to add this little chain. And now my little llama is done.